We all have felt disrespected sometimes in the past, and not all wounds are totally healed. We often carry some of those deep scars, and with every disrespectful event, they get alive and hurt again. It's time to heal and integrate all these disrespectful incidents and prepare our subconscious mind to lead a very respectful life. Radical consciousness can help you do that. Radical consciousness is that frequency that helps us align with the superconsciousness. So through this frequency, we often easily get aligned with the superconsciousness, as well as everyone who are aligned with the superconsciousness. All of us are naturally aligned. However, when we are emotionally disturbed and scarred, the connection gets disrupted. Ease your emotions, ease your beliefs, and you'll start naturally connecting to the superconsciousness in a synchronized way. And that restores the symphony called life. Recite with me and after me. With radical consciousness, I purify the scars of disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify the scars of disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify the scars of disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify the reasons for disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify the reasons for disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify the reasons for disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify my need to experience disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify my need to experience disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify my need to experience disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify my resistance to let go of the effect of disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify my resistance to let go of the effect of disrespect. With radical consciousness, I purify my resistance to let go of the effect of disrespect. I transform and transcend my disrespect. I transform and transcend my disrespect. I transform and transcend my disrespect. I transform and transcend the reasons for my disrespect. I transform and transcend the reasons for my disrespect. I transform and transcend the reasons for my disrespect. I transform and transcend the brilliance in my disrespect. I transform and transcend the brilliance in my disrespect. I transform and transcend my need for self-respect. I transform and transcend my need for self-respect. I transform and transcend my need for self-respect. I peacefully progress with 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 self-honor. I peacefully progress with self-honor. I peacefully progress with self-honor. I peacefully progress by being the honorable one. I peacefully progress by being the honorable one. I peacefully progress by being the honorable one. I peacefully progress by intending and inviting respect and honor. I peacefully progress by intending and inviting respect and honor. I peacefully progress by intending and inviting respect and honor. I peacefully progress by making the best out of every moment. I peacefully progress by respecting myself. I peacefully progress by respecting myself. I peacefully progress by respecting myself. I peacefully progress by respecting my body. I peacefully progress by respecting my body. I peacefully progress by respecting my body. I peacefully progress by respecting my health. I peacefully progress by respecting my health. I peacefully progress by respecting my health. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I have. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I have. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I have. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I have. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I have. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I am. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I am. I peacefully progress by respecting all that I am. Keep reciting, keep respecting, and stay tuned. Tonight, before going to bed, write in your gratitude journal 3 incidents where you were respected for who you are. Keep writing your gratitude journal and let your life transform for good. This is Aatmn, founder of Circle of Peaceful and Passionate Progress.